So, Lulu, do we get enough footage?
Did we ever? Now, we need you to call your mom for the big confrontation scene. And I'll call the station manager.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Candace. What took you so long?
Just get over here as soon as you can. This time, it's gonna be different.
Sir, you should come over here right away. This will be our best show ever, I guarantee it.
Hey, that evil scientist just stole my bike.
Hey, that nice duck just gave me 20 bucks for my skateboard.
Oh, this is great! I can smell that second season pickup. What was that?
My mom is here!
The station manager is here!
Candace, what's going on? Who are these people? Could you please...
Mom, we're gonna be on TV. I can finally prove everything.
I'm talking about ratings dynamite here, sir. Tell me that's not ratings dynamite!
That's not ratings dynamite. That's a suburban backyard.
But I have the whole... What? I'm sorry, I don't understand. What? Where is everything?
Welcome to my world.
Wait a minute. The videotapes! All the proof is still in the van. Come on, give me a bust 'em!
Bust 'em, bust 'em, bust 'em!
You get that a lot.
Pretty much every day around here.
It's in the van, it's in the van, it's in the van, it's in the van!
Well, I don't think I could take this every day.
You get used to it.
The van. Where is the van?
So nice of them to leave the keys inside. That's what you get for being the good guy. You have to stop at all the traffic signals. Oh no, what is this? Put your man in a platypus.
So kids, keeping cool today?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, there you are, Perry.
Oh, there you are, Perry.
And Ferb says...
And that is why I will never wear suspenders in public.
Now for some snacks.
Why don't you kids come inside for some pie?
Yeah, I'll take some pie. Now you understand my pain. Want some pie?
Sold our lucrative bunny farm and bought a van rental place. And you didn't buy a single van! Not one word.